Hello world, come back with you again with another video. Updated Xcelerate International marketing graphic design that you need to make money with this accelerated business. They don't add on a high quality image about Accelerated International, how you can make money with Xcelerate. Here are all the graphics that you see here. You can grow your business with Xcelerated International. You go from there. I mean, this is a wonderful accelerated business that you can grow your business with Xcelerate International. You go from there. Yes, indeed. I mean, all you got to do is grab a graphic. You can download it. You change your life. Only 20 bucks, as you see here. You can download it. It's wonderful. Only $20. Yes, $20. Boom. Open the door for $20. You're good to go. I mean, I can't stop stressing this. There's another graphic. Boom. While you sleeping, you can get this and start promoting your business with this wonderful graphics. Only cost you $20. $20. That's it. While you sleep, you can make money. And go from there. Yes, indeed. So these are all the graphics for Accelerated International. And you can make money off of Accelerated International. They got some good ones. Here's the famous one. This is how much you'll make right here. Turn $20 into $3,279 per month by you watching the video. No brainer. And you make this off this image. It's no brainer at all. I mean, it's a wonderful images. What you need to grow your business. You go from there. True story. I mean, there's really nothing to talk about. Just join and pay your 20 bucks and you go. You're good to go. I can show you how to turn $20 a month and 10 hours per week into financial freedom. That's all you need to know. Promote, promote, promote. Promote your business and you're good to go. 04/25/2024, brought to you by Xcelerate International. That you hear Xcelerate International, people are changing their lives. They are having income coming their way. And all the ex-employee that just got laid off, come join Accelerated International. Come join some of my business needs. And check me out on YouTube. It's my first and last day. And come go to work. There's a reason people got laid off. They cutting back on their production. It happens. So you can't cry over spoiled milk. I can't make no money. Yes, you can make some money. All you got to do is reach out to people that's doing what on social media. That's simple. That easy. Yes, that's simple, that easy, painless. All you do is come aboard and join some of my businesses. I got a lot of entrepreneurship all over social media. They're not sitting around crying over spoiled milk. I can't make no money. I can't do this. They finding other means and other ways to make some money. True story. I'm going to show you another graphic. This is a nice, colorful graphic right here. Boom. Boom. Yeah, breaking the mold. $20 business. That's a nice little thumbnail right here, man. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Man. The owner of Xcelerate International, he no joke. People are making money off this Xcelerate International business. They are literally, actually making money off this wonderful accelerated business. Nice little graphic. And you're good to go. Here's another one. Man. Shoot. Our members smells better because paying more or less sneaks. Save up to 75% off of retail. There you go. Retail. If you don't want to do the business, just start shopping at your website when you join for free. There you go. Man, it's really nothing else to say. Yes, again, all the people out there that don't have work, there's work online. And here are all the images that you can grow your accelerated business. All you do is pick an image and you're good to go. And you're good to go. Whoa, that's another one. That's a nice little good looking pay more for less. Boom. This is a man, high quality images to promote your businesses. There you go. I mean, I can't. There's really nothing to talk about. All you gotta do is take action and come join. You can join for free or pay your $20 a month. And your rewards, they have a rewards program too if you want to join it. And you're good to go. I'm going to show you another graphic. There's another graphic. Our members can see in the dark, not really, but they can see savings of up to 75% off retail. Boom. Man, that's a nice looking thumbnail right there. I mean, and it's a global wide business too. International business. Yes, indeed. International worldwide business that you can join. Xcelerate International. Only $20 to join and you are good to go. $20 to join this business. And you make money while you sleeping. By you just telling others or do your own promotion. Use these images and do your own promotion. That's simple, easy, painless. And you're good to go. They have accelerated field tabs as well. Boom. I got this in my back office. I got this in my group page. Accelerated. Man, that's a good looking images. Good quality. Good, wonderful quality about Xcelerate International. I don't know what else to say no more. Again, all those folks out there looking for work. There's work online. I'm one of the sponsors. Pick your sponsor, pick me, whatever you want to do. We're going to help each other out, make money. $20 to get started. And start seeing your return back. I'm already starting making money off of Xcelerate, not to give up. My promotion is working for me. It's literally working for me. Literally working for me. Only this $20 business can save your life. Worldwide business. People are looking for worldwide business. Here it is. Xcelerate International, CBSU. They're good. and so forth and so on. Worldwide business, you're looking for work. Here you go. Here you go, no joke. Very easy to do. All you do is promote. Promote, 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 promote. It's not hard to promote. It's free to promote. You don't have to pay for your promotion. It's very easy to do. Drag and drop images. Put your description on there and see what the magic gonna do for you. See how many leads you'll get and how many sales you'll get. You have to be patient. Patience is the virtue. Patience is good to be patient. You will get sales. You will get leads. All you gotta do is stay patient and build relationship with your new leads. Start talking to people. Start building a new friend relationship. They don't know you. They don't know me from Cats and Adam. You just have some information how to work from home, how to make money from home. That's it. People gonna tell you yes. People gonna tell you no. But don't give up. All I gotta say, don't give up in your dreams. Push forward, and you're good to go. I mean, yeah, this is, man, the honor to add on more good-looking images. Good-looking images. Good promotion images. You go from there. I mean, I don't know what else to say no more. Don't take my word from it. Here's proof that I'm a member with Accelerated International. You look at it, join. That's your problem. It would be nice for y'all to join and spend your $20 and start making money and get people under you. True story. Okay, I'll come back with you again with another video. Thanks.